Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through a complete Workiva tutorial for beginners and show you how to streamline your financial reporting and compliance processes step by step. In a world where financial accuracy and regulatory transparency are paramount, traditional reporting tools like spreadsheets are no longer sufficient. Workiva steps in as a robust, cloud-based platform that empowers finance, accounting, audit, and compliance teams to manage complex reporting and documentation workflows with confidence and precision. Whether you're preparing quarterly earnings reports, managing ESG disclosures, or ensuring SOX compliance, Workiva centralizes data, automates updates, and allows real-time collaboration across departments. It's trusted by thousands of companies, including Fortune 500 firms, to reduce risk, streamline operations, and ensure compliance at scale. In this video, we'll explore Workiva's key features, show how they solve common reporting challenges, and help you understand why it's become a go-to solution for modern finance and compliance professionals. So for its key features and benefits, first is the connected reporting and data linking. Workiva enables you to link data across documents, spreadsheets, charts, and presentations. When you update a single value at the source, the changes cascade throughout all connected content instantly and automatically. This maintains data consistency across reports and saves significant time during last-minute reporting cycles, especially during earnings, releases, or audit preparations. Another key feature is the real-time collaboration. Teams can work simultaneously on the same document with live changes, tracked edits, and embedded comment threads. Role-based permissions let you control who can view or edit specific content blocks. This eliminates version confusion and promotes transparency, even in large teams working across departments or geographies. Another key feature is the SEC and regulatory filing compliance. Workiva simplifies SEC and global regulatory reporting with built-in support for formats like EDGAR, IXBRL, and ESEF. Smart validations highlight errors before filing, helping teams ensure accuracy and reduce compliance risk. This speeds up the review and submission process while reducing the likelihood of costly reporting mistakes. Another key feature is the workflow automation and task management. Create structured workflows to manage task assignments, due dates, reviews, and approvals. Use dashboards in progress tracking to visualize the reporting lifecycle. This keeps everyone accountable and on schedule, helping teams handle complex, time-sensitive reporting with ease. Another key feature is the enterprise-grade security and compliance. Workiva provides end-to-end encryption, audit trails, and granular access controls, meeting strict security standards like SOC2, PIPE 2, FedRAMP, and ISO 27001. This protects sensitive financial and regulatory information while ensuring full traceability and audit readiness. Another key feature is the ESG and sustainability reporting. With increasing regulatory and investor focus on ESG, Workiva provides tools to manage sustainability disclosures in alignment with frameworks like GRI, SASB, and TCFD. The platform helps gather data, automate narratives, and ensure third-party assurance. This simplifies ESG reporting workflows and positions your organizations as a leader in corporate responsibility and transparency. So why is Workiva a great choice? Workiva continues to stand out in 2025 for its unmatched ability to unify reporting, compliance, and risk management in a single platform. Its intuitive, spreadsheet-like interface makes it easy for finance professionals to get started, while powerful back-end capabilities meet the demands of complex, enterprise-level operations. Workiva's collaborative nature breaks down silos between departments, enabling real-time communication between finance, legal, audit, and sustainability teams. It supports a culture of accountability, agility, and compliance in organizations navigating evolving regulatory expectations and business priorities. With ongoing innovation, an expanding partner ecosystem, and award-winning customer support, Workiva remains a future-proof investment for any organization looking to modernize their reporting operations. So if you're tired of version control issues, manual updates, and high-stakes compliance stress, Workiva offers a better way forward. Its connected, collaborative platform simplifies every stage of reporting while increasing accuracy, transparency, and control. From quarterly financials to ESG reports and audit documentation, Workiva allows your team to work smarter and more securely. In 2025 and beyond, it's not just a reporting tool. It's a comprehensive solution that empowers modern finance and compliance teams to deliver results with confidence. So start using Workiva today and bring clarity, control, and consistency to your reporting process. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.